Okay, so this is my circuit for the advanced traffic light. I wasn't totally sure how to do this demonstration, so I'm just taking a video on my phone of exactly how the traffic light is supposed to work. So starting off in the bottom left here, it's kind of hard to see screenshots in the report if that makes it easier. But yeah, so those are all the sensor values. I have them all set to 0. So basically there's no traffic on the road, and this is just so that all the states will cycle through without really stopping for anything. None of them will stay on, and I hope that'll make it easier to show how the transitions are happening and, well, just what's going on. So for starters, here is S0, so you can see it's a square wave. Then S1 is similar, except the period is twice that. And then we have Q, or excuse me, S2, and kind of a similar thing. This should basically let us go over every single state, like they all repeat once in the cycle. So knowing that, I'm gonna go to the first output, which is the green light on academic, and you can see it's kind of tough to see. So because I started at 0, it switches off pretty quickly, but actually when it's first on, it reads a 1. Then it reads that there's no traffic, and it goes to 0. And then it's not going to turn on again until traffic cycles all the way through, and that's what's happening here. It's just a cycle repeating itself. So next we have the yellow light on academic, and this triggers twice. Once towards the beginning, and this is at the when the green light went away. Academic's gonna have a yellow light to before the left arrow, and that's what's happening here. Then in this dip here, you have the left arrow, and then the yellow light again, and then no more yellow light until the cycle repeats. So next light is going to be red on academic, and this order might not really make a ton of sense at the moment, but this is just red whenever there's traffic flowing on Bravado, which will hopefully make sense when I show the green and yellow lights on Bravado. Okay, so next is the left arrow on academic, which is right here, which, like I said earlier, is the gap. The gap in here is with the yellow light. So moving on to Bravado, we have the green light, which is going to occur once right after the right after you let the traffic go left on academic. Then the red light, excuse me, the yellow light, it's going to trigger twice. Once again, once for left arrow, once for the green light, and once for the left arrow. Then the red light is going to trigger whenever there's traffic, any kind of traffic flowing on academic, or when there's or when Bravado traffic is like when the left turn's allowed. And then the last one is the left turn on Bravado. All right, and just real quickly to show that if you did want to put traffic somewhere, so let's say V3, so what this is going to do is it's going to say that there's always traffic going to the left on Bravado. That's just the way I set up the sensors. So when I simulate this, what we should see when I click on the left arrow, it goes up here and it stays on because traffic continues to flow. So hopefully that is thorough enough of a demonstration. So thank you.